If you just started serving as a ProPresenter operator on our production teams, one of the terms you might hear often is either media or media bin. Now in the top right-hand corner, you're going to see a little icon that says media. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and that opens up our media bin. All the way over to the left-hand side, you can see that I have a bunch of different playlists. Standard, if I open that up, has host slides, which we're on right now, ongoing events, backup messages, and pre-post countdowns. These include things like Sunday morning, night of worship, awake night, kingdom builders, etc. These are all slides in the standard playlist that we might use again. Underneath worship backgrounds, we have our standard backgrounds. This would be anything that we would use for a Sunday morning or an event that happens often and doesn't have special branding. Underneath that, we have Awake, which offers a few different fun background slides that we might also use for Bridge Kids or VBS events. Underneath that, we have temporary Awake worship videos and prayer videos. If you notice underneath here that the icon looks different in all these bottom three folders, and that's because these are imported differently than the top. For my top folders, for a standard worship background, I might download something from the internet and drag it straight into here, and it will populate. For the bottom three folders, these are auto-populated elsewhere. So if I click on my Finder window on my Mac, I am going to open up my desktop, and you can see that the three folders I have here are temporary prayer worship videos and Awake worship videos, which are the same things that I see here. Now, underneath my temporary video, you can see that this is a place where I can drag and drop images and it'll automatically populate or delete. So for today, I am going to move my screen over here, and I would love for you to look at this Hy-Vee drone image. So if I look on my screen right here, I can see that my Hy-Vee drone is right here. It's the very last picture. So if you go ahead and watch this, as I delete this out, it's going to automatically erase it from this. So I'm going to move to trash, and it's automatically gone. So that's a way that we can save space by putting videos in here that might only be used one or two times and then can be deleted off of our computer. Before you delete anything, make sure to check with your worship leader or campus pastor just to make sure that it's okay. And that is a little bit about the media bin.